Hey there everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So on this video guys, I'm going to go over on if money can actually buy you happiness or if money can make you happy. Because I know that the majority of people in this world believe that if they had millions and millions and billions and trillions of dollars, that they would automatically be happy if they came into this large sum of cash into their hands right now, right? If you were to get $1 million right now, or $1 billion, or whatever the amount is, would you actually be happy with that? Well, that's what we're gonna do in this video, guys, is discuss if that's actually true. That if the amount of money that you get right now actually determines how happy you will be or are right now in your current situation, or if not even having the money actually makes you more happier because you have less money. But just real quick, guys, before we get straight into the video even more further, if you are new to this channel and you are into personal finance, stocks, entrepreneurship, and just everything in between in those categories, guys, then I would highly consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. But other than that, guys, remember to leave a comment, give us a like, and let's get straight into the video. Now listen, guys, in my hand right now I have a couple of bills right now. Okay, got a 50, 20, 10, 1. We got a couple of bills right now in our hands. So would these couple of bills make me happy? Well, that depends. I mean, I have the money in my hand, but it's not really making me sad or happy, angry, or anything, it's just money. So based off of that, I mean, money's not really making me feel anything right now. I mean, it's just a piece of paper. But can it actually make me happy though? Well, that depends. If I go and waste this 50 right now and, I don't know, buy myself something nice and it makes me feel good, then I mean, I guess in a way, yes, it does make you happy, okay? But just having the money by itself, I mean, it's not really gonna make you happy, guys, okay? Because you see, guys, at the end of the day, what really determines whether you're gonna be happy with money or not is what you actually do with the money, okay? Now, I don't know how many of you have heard that saying that if you weren't happy with just $1,000 in your account right now, then you won't even be happy with a couple of $1 million in your account or something like that. I'm pretty sure some of you have seen it on Instagram and whatnot. And I honestly believe that, guys, because if you're in a position right now, if you're in a situation right now where you already just not happy and you just hate life, like you despise life just in general, like to the point where I don't know, maybe you want to hurt yourself or hurt somebody else, then I don't think having an extra $1 million in your bank account is really going to make that much of a difference. Now, if you're already happy with, a couple $100,000 in your account and you get $1 million, then you know what, that might even actually make it even more better to where you're more happier, because now you can do more good things and more happier things with that money, okay? So in all honesty, I do believe money can buy you happiness or make you happy, but it all comes down to what you actually do with the money, okay? Now, buying expensive crap that you don't need with your extra billions of dollars isn't necessarily going to make you happy like that, okay? Because at the end of the day, when we do that, it just fills gaps in ourselves, insecurities in ourselves, judgment from others, that we buy these expensive things, so we do it to fulfill ourselves in order to fill those insecurities and whatnot, okay? Which in all honesty, guys, can actually make you even more depressed or sad instead of happier. Because now you're buying these big things and next thing you know, you're just a materialistic person at the end of the day. Now, I'm not judging anyone or anything for buying those type of things. I mean, if it fulfills you, like if it truly fulfills you and makes you happy in every single way, then that's a whole different thing, okay? Now, another thing that determines if money makes you happy or not is, let's say for example that, I don't know, maybe your father or your mother or, just a close loved one, I don't know, gets into a bad situation right now where they come into a medical problem maybe and they need a surgery done. And for some reason you just happen to have the money that's needed for that surgery. Well, if you go and use that money for that surgery for your loved one and it helps them and it keeps them alive, nice and healthy and whatnot, and that makes you happy, well, then doesn't money technically make you happy in this type of scenario? I kind of laugh at people who say that money doesn't buy you happiness or that money isn't everything, when I mean, at the end of the day, guys, I mean, if you actually think about it, money kind of is everything, because you need money to kind of survive in this world. I mean, if money really wasn't everything, then why are you even working for it, right? Like, why are you working for your money if it's not everything in this world, or if it's not even anything in this world to you? Money plays a huge factor in our life, okay? Whether you like it or not, it plays a huge factor. And I mean, I don't know about some of you, but I think I would rather be a miserable billionaire than a miserable poor person, right? I think we can all agree to that, right? So you got to see it from different perspectives and really think about whether or not money can make you happy or whether it cannot make you happy. Because again, if you just despise life no matter what, then having millions of dollars is not going to change that, okay? You have to change your situation. You have to change where you are in life. And you just got to change something, okay? Money isn't the issue. The issue is whatever you're doing right now in life, okay? Maybe you're at a job that you really absolutely hate, okay? Maybe you need to get out of that job and go somewhere else or start a business or something, okay? And that brings up another topic, which is, people are in jobs making money that they think will make them happy, but it's not really making them happy. Even though it's making them hundreds of thousands of dollars every single year, it's not making them happy because they're still at their jobs being all miserable. They despise their jobs. But because they think they need more money to be happy, it's not making them happy. It's just making them even more miserable. So when you put it into these different type of perspectives, guys, it gives you a better understanding of whether money can make you happy or it cannot make you happy, okay? And until you understand both sides of the story, then it will be really hard for you to determine whether or not it's actually making you happy or not. Remember, at the end of the day, it's all what you do with the money, not how much money you have, okay? You don't need millions of dollars to live a happy lifestyle. You can do something that you love and be happy regardless of how much money you make, as long as you're willing to live a certain lifestyle based off that money also, okay? And you'll actually be happier. So therefore, at the end of the day, the money that you're making is not determining how happy you'll actually be, okay? If we can just get rid of buying all these stupid things, big houses, expensive cars we don't need. We truly can be happy with or without money. It just really determines how you see it and your point of view, okay? So if you think money is everything and it's gonna make you happy even though you're miserable, well, I hate to break it to you guys, but I don't really believe it's gonna change anything, for a matter of fact, okay? But let me know what you guys think about this topic. Do you think money buys you happiness, or can it make you happy? Or do you think it's just absolutely garbage and it doesn't really matter? Let me know in the comment section below, guys, alright? I would really love to hear what your opinion on this video is. But other than that, guys, subscribe, give this video a like. And as always, guys, just stay tuned to more videos on this channel. Hopefully it brings you some type of value. And hopefully you learn something brand new every single video, alright, guys? But anyways, guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. And I'll see you in the next one. Later.